easel.
Alright, cool. So in this module, you're going to learn 5 ways to measure and evaluate engagement on a website or a particular web page that might be a critical part of your growth operations. So the first one to consider is the pages per session. And this shows how many pages a particular user on average would tend to view when they visit your website a single time. Obviously, more pages means that they're exploring a little bit more. The second metric would be the average session duration, and this shows how long are they spending on the website on average on a single session. Again, a longer duration means that they're exploring more. Then you might want to look at the average time on a specific page. So for example, if you have a critical page or a critical piece of content that's a priority for you, are people spending more time on that page? Or if you're directing traffic to a particular page, is that page getting more attention than other pages? Maybe it should be. Then you want to move on to bounce rate. So again, the bounce rate is the number of users that visit the website and then don't click on anything before they leave the website. So this would be an indication of low quality of traffic if you have an exceptionally high bounce rate. Now finally, you might want to look at the exit rate. The exit rate is the page that causes people to leave the website and end a session. So specifically, if you see that there's a really high exit rate on one specific page and it doesn't make sense to you, it could be that something on that page is causing people to leave the website.